is a 2016 Hyundai Sonata key fob, right? This is my wife's button. What she did is we used the eyeglass screwdriver and she scraped all that out. When she was scraping that out, the bezel actually comes right out. Now you were to think this bezel would hold the rubber piece in place, but it's not the bezel that holds the rubber piece in place. This got to be pried out. See this little D shape thing right there? This got to be pried out. And then there's this right here has a piece underneath it, lip, that grips on to this right here. So the bezel just fell out and she was cleaning all that. So we're going to use the same little screwdriver to pry this little inner ring off. I use fast forward this, it doesn't matter. Take your time. Little by little, all the way around. Don't just try to do one. If you put too much pressure on one of them, you're going to break the plastic underneath. Is that all of them? Whoa! Alrighty. She got that off very gingerly. Don't focus on just one. You go to the work it all, just keep working all the way around. Don't put all pressure on just one. Little flathead screwdriver just like this is what we got it out with. Now that little opening, you gotta pull the rubber up around the plastic piece. This is what she's doing. She's pulling the little piece of rubber up around the plastic piece. So it actually holds it. See, the rubber goes around it and it grips in there and holds it. So these are what's going to be hard to push in. You see those little teeth right there? Those are what got to be pushed in. So this got to be pushed into those holes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so she got to grab this.
This supposed to go first.
The bezel. Now that gotta be snapped back in place. That's the hard part. Did you get him? No. Let me see what I can do. And it took Senor Gimpy Thumb to get all those pushed back in place. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Almost where these lines come to the end is where you really got to put your pressure on. So there it is. $6 for 2 of these little rubber pieces. The dealer wanted $250 or something like that for the key.